Hello guys, so in today's video we're going to use these boxes from Dollar Tree. I used this one before, the black one. I just spray painted in black. You could do any color that you guys would like. Then I'm going to take this teddy bear. I'm going to take the tag off. You could get any other teddy bear and just place it like that around the box. And to be able to hold it, I'm going to take this heartstring. You can use any string that you guys have, and then just place it around it like that. And the way I'm going to hold it to attach, I'm going to put a little bit of hot glue in the heart and then attach it to the box like that from both sides. Once you attach it like that, just cut out the extra pieces. Then after you cut the extra pieces, grab a floor foam and put enough hot glue and then go ahead and place it right in the middle like that and attach it into place. Once you do that, we're going to go ahead and grab the flower and place it around it. And here I'm going to do some white and red, and make sure to use the stick there and then place it inside. And then I decided just to put the red in the middle instead. Then go ahead and grab a little greenery or branches, whatever you have, and place it in the back. Then go ahead and grab your candy and place it around it like that. I got this cute little love sign. I'm going to put a little bit of hot glue and then attach a stick in the back like that. And then place it right in the back. You can leave it like that or just get add up a little more in the back. It's up to you. So this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. This is without the heart in the back. This is more simple and easy that you guys can do at home, or you could just add up the heart like I did this one, which I think it looks super cute and it's like more a little bit more extravagant than the other one. And make sure to add more chocolate to it. Because I didn't have enough. My kids ate it all and we under a storm. We cannot go out. And I wanted to make a cute DIY for you guys. So I just go ahead and did it like that to give you the idea. Now for the next idea, I'm gonna grab one of this glass from Dollar Tree as well. I'm gonna go ahead and use cookie. You can use whatever cookie the person likes that you're gonna give the gift, and then just go ahead and fill it up. Make sure to wear gloves. And then I'm gonna take this clear paper, kitchen paper, and I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the extra pieces because we don't want it to show. Then take this floral foam and place it inside like that because I don't want the floral pieces to come out to the cookie. So that's why I put the paper there. You don't have to, but I decided to do it like that. Then go ahead and grab your flower and place it around as well. We're gonna do the whole thing all the way around until we complete the whole thing out. Once you do that, I'm also gonna go ahead and grab this chocolate and place it around as well. Put as many as you can. Then I'm gonna go ahead and grab that teddy bear that we used before, and we're going to do the same thing. Grab the little ribbon and attach it to the little base like that to attach it into place. Then once you attach it, then I'm gonna take the little love sign and place it on top. And I'm also in here gonna grab the hearts and place it on top like that. So you could do without the heart or you could do with it. So this is how beautiful it turns out without it, which I think is super cute, super easy that you guys can do. And make sure to add a little bit more chocolate if you guys would like. And don't forget to place anything inside, not just cookie that the person would like. It could be chocolate or candy, whatever they like. And this is the one with the heart. You decide which one you like, without or with the heart. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Lily, and I hope you guys like this DIY. Let's not forget to like, share, and comment down below letting me know what you guys think.